Okay, children, now we will try to do some more examples to make our concept clear. So again I have taken this example 1 1 0 0 1. Now we have to change it into convert into a decimal number. So let us start 1 1 0 0 1. Now I'll write 0 here. 1 2 3 4. I hope all of you understand, children. Now let us start. How do we write? 1 into base 2 and power 0 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 4. So we had started from here right to left. As you know, this is the basic rule. Now let us calculate 1 into 2, 2 and power 1 is 1 plus this is 0 because when we multiply any number with 0 that will be 0. Here also 0. Then 1 into 2. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 3 times. So it will become 8 plus again 1 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So this way now add 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 becomes 9 and 9 plus 16 becomes 25. You check here also 16 plus 9 5 and it is 2 25. So now thus how do we write the answer? Thus 11001 binary number is equal to 25 decimal number. So this is equivalent to 25 decimal number. Okay, children, we have another method for to solve the problem. So what is that method? This is the second method. 110, same problem I'll take. If you feel this is easy, you can do this way also. So here also what we can do, we will put the power like this 1 0 1 2 3 4. And now what you have to do, just make a small line over here and take it this way and write here 1 into 2 power 0. Then 0 into 2 power 1. Then 0 into 2 power 2. Then 1 into 2 power 3, as you see here. Then 1 into 1 is a binary number, multiply with the base number 2 and the power is 4. So now let's calculate here. 1 into 2 is 1 power 0, it's become 1. Then 0 multiplied with the 0, it will become 0. And here 1 into 2, 2 and the power, then it's become 8. 3 times is 8. Then this 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. And then you add then you will get the answer 25. So again you can write this way, is equal to 25 decimal. Children, this is must to write. Then only we will understand what conversion we have done, decimal to binary or binary to decimal. I hope all of you understand. Let us try one more. See this, already we have done in decimal in to binary. So we had got this answer. Let us see. 1 1 1 1 0 1 2 3. Then equal sign, 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3. As you can see, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Let us solve. Then it will become 1. Then this is 2. Then here 2 2s are 4. Then this is 3 power 2 की power 3 is equal to 8. So let us calculate. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7 and 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So this is the decimal number. So how can we write the answer? 1 1 2 is equal to 15 decimal number. Thank you children. I hope all of you are now able to solve your conversions. So I'll give in the exercise so you can try. Thank you.